Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a just gorgeous 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner. This is a real RM VIN, so it is a real Roadrunner. Beautiful car, guys. Finished in B5 blue with a B6 blue vinyl interior. I apologize about the weather, but we got a little break in the snow, and it's just going to get worse from here. A bunch more snow coming, so we just got to kind of work with it. But great car, killer body style. It's got the gull wing on it. It's got the Power Bulge hood. Car's got great eye appeal, man. This car really just pops. Love the color combination. It's got a set of chromed 15-inch rally wheels, dual sport mirrors, of course the Power Bulge hood with the pins. And just a slick car. It's an older restoration that's just been very well maintained. Chrome and stainless are very nice on the car. It's got the 360 call outs. Slick paint on the car. No, it's out front, Nathan. It's got outside release. Those are definitely new bumpers. Solid, straight car, sits good. See, it's got some big BFG meats on the back. Those are 295s. Car's clean underneath. Sorry, getting ahead of myself here, guys. This car's got four-wheel disc brakes on it too. It's not a matching numbers car, but it does have a 74 engine and trans, which do match each other, but they're out of a different car. 360 cubic inch engine, nice cam to it. It's got a Demon 4-barrel Mopar Performance aluminum intake, Doug ceramic headers. You can see it's got all marked pulleys and brackets on it, electronic ignition, power steering. Like I said, those are power four-wheel disc brakes, factory air blows cold, aluminum radiator with the dual electric fans, 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. Neat car, really neat car. Little marks in your stripe. Like I say, a couple little blemishes you can pick, but really just a nice car. Dual sport mirrors. This is a remote mirror. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. Door seams are clean. Love the interior. Pretty color combo. New sill plates. Again, it's got the bucket seat, center console, the Tuff wheel. Headliner looks great. It's got the factory tack dash. I don't think that tack was really showing 25,000. I'm sure that's 125. I don't know the exact miles on the restoration. The aftermarket gauges. It's got an Audiosounds radio. Those are all plug-ins for that radio down below. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's got a great sound to it. It's got the machine gun tips. 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear axle. Factory jack with spares in here. It's all body color like it should be. Again, car's clean underneath. Just really a good car. Unfortunately, we're not going to run it down the road. The weather's too crappy, guys. Make a mess of it. But it really runs out good. Again, clean underneath. As always, there's photos of all the cars on our website on the bottom. Whew, hands are a little froze. I could do this. Yeah, I got it. Seats are really nice. They've definitely been repadded, redone. Oh, it's got the simulated pistol grip shifter. That's pretty cool. Ooh, my hands are about froze here. It's all, I know the factory, the front glass might be different, but the side glass, all original glass. No, that's actually the original front glass too. Yeah, nice little cam. You can see Nathan kick the air on, it blows cold. Runs nice and smooth, gets its R's quick. Like I say, it scoots too. That's a pretty car. Attack. The fuel gauge up there works. Everything else is down below. I'll show you that. Everything opens and closes nice. My hands are froze. Backup lights work. Car's got real good sound. Fun car. Somebody's got a blast with that thing. Gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. I don't know how that radio works.
It's on off, so I don't know how to get it off.
Okay. It's not the best at operating these radios. Oh, we only got one wiper working. Have to check it. It's probably come undone under there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.